Accessible design isn't just a nice to have, it's literally leaving money on the table if you ignore it. Your website needs to work for everyone, including people with disabilities. Here's the tea. Build accessibility into your design system from day one. Start with your buttons. They need clear states for hover, focus, and disabled modes that everyone can understand, not just see. Your forms? They're probably where most accessibility fails happen. Connect labels to inputs properly and make sure error messages get announced to screen readers. Color contrast is non-negotiable. You need at least 4.5 to 1 ratio for regular text. And please stop making those super light gray disabled buttons that nobody can see. Navigation should work with keyboard, mouse, touch, and voice. Not everyone uses a mouse, bestie. Document everything. Create clear guidelines so your team knows exactly how to implement accessible components. Include testing steps for keyboard, screen readers, and magnification. Don't forget about RTL languages like Arabic and Hebrew. Your design system needs to mirror perfectly for these users. The payoff? Better experiences for everyone, less legal risk, and reaching more customers. Plus, it's just the right thing to do. Run a quick accessibility scan today. Your future users and lawyers will thank you.